Hi, my name is Ken Wang. I am a civil engineer and land surveyor. This session is about property restrictions. I will review common property restrictions with you. Let's begin with City of Santa Clarita, California. Residents are not allowed to park cars overnight on the driveway for public safety reasons, and the TV antennas must be hidden inside the attic for sake of aesthetics. In the City of San Marino, California, when homeowners replacing windows, they need the city planning department's approval. For some people, restrictions are inconvenient and annoying. On the contrary, people creating the restrictions believe it helps preserving the building's appearances and protect the value of the property. The takeaway is that when buying a property, check out the restriction carefully. If any of the restrictions are bothering you, then you should consider property with no restrictions. It may be more suitable for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumb up, tell a friend. Goodbye.